Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Edwin Van Riesen, and on behalf of Barcodes Group and Star Micronics, I'd like to thank you for attending our webinar today. How the right POS solution can upgrade your customer shopping or dining experience. We know your time is precious, and we hope you gain some valuable insights into the solution that we'll be going over. We do have a Q&A feature available on this webinar, so please feel free to send us any questions, and we will address them towards the end as time allows. At this point, I'd like to turn it over to John Mayali, Channel Partner Executive at Star Micronics.
Thank you, Edwin. So choosing the right point of sale solution is critical to provide a modern customer experience. The solution has to be reliable, it has to offer flexibility to ensure your business runs smoothly now and in the future. My name is John Mayeli, and I'm a channel partner executive with Star Micronics America. One of my responsibilities is to oversee proper flow of product in the distribution channel. And to do this, I work closely with partner resellers like Barcodes. Today, we're going to go over point of sale trends, cloud-based solutions, and how Star can help. Always leading, always innovating. For almost 50 years, Star Micronics has been a leader in the point of sale industry. And we're seeing now that innovation is more important than ever. The events from the past few years have brought some pretty serious changes. No industry was left untouched. I transitioned to Star Micronics from the restaurant industry in 2021. And in the years 2020, 2021, we experienced challenges and changes unbelievable to us at the time. And for some, this experience has led to opportunities, including increased online ordering, expanding business, and new verticals. So at this point, you may be wondering, why a complete point of sale system, or how intuitive user experiences, how they become essential, and why they're so necessary. And the data shows that the focus on health and safety after the events of early 2020 has influenced consumer behavior. For someone to be motivated to go out to eat or to go to a physical store for their shopping, there needs to be an excellent customer experience. And having an integrated point of sale system allows for that. So customer experience, what does it mean to have an excellent customer experience? So as I just mentioned, right, the events of the past few years have influenced consumer behavior. Okay, it's impacted the way in which consumers shop. And some of these trends existed in parts, and we'll touch more on that later. But we're seeing accelerated growth and technology transformation in retail, hospitality, and self-service to keep up with evolving consumer expectations. Consumers expect inventory updates, right? When we put ourselves in the consumer's shoes, when we're purchasing something online, right, we want to know that that item is in stock, ready to ship before we pay, right? And so inventory updates allows for this. Timely service, customer loyalty, right, built on analytics, where they're rewarding us based on our consumer behavior. So how can we help with the consumer experience, right? Our hardware is compatible with the best systems in the marketplace, allowing for inventory updates, targeted promotions, and integrated point of sale, allowing for online ordering. As industries continue to struggle with labor, and I can tell you from personal experience, for the food service industry, the struggle is real, right? And it's more important than ever to leverage technology to upgrade your customer's experience. We're doing more with less employees, more work, right? This requires a foolproof system. This requires reliable hardware. So whether it's a line queue from a tablet on a floor stand, right? Imagine a restaurant that traditionally would require two hostesses to properly navigate guests through the restaurant. Maybe now they only have one. And while that hostess is guiding guests to their table, there could be a tablet on a floor stand that is welcoming guests. Maybe there's a self-service ordering from the bar, so an overwhelmed bartender can focus on drinks while the guest is able to order some bites. Or a self-service ordering from a tablet that prints a QR code for redemption, right? Technology is necessary to remove friction from the sales associate. And a complete point of sale solution is a highly effective way to overcome these labor shortages. When we talk about omnichannel solutions, right, freestanding stores are continuing to thrive. Whether individual small, medium business or enterprise level franchises, they're expected to have online ordering, both in the traditional e-commerce as well as buy online and pick up in store. And they're seeing sales, right? Retail is growing. National retail spending increased in April, up almost 1% per consumer department. That's the fourth straight month of growth, despite inflation nearing a 40-year high. And these retail stores, they're becoming mini fulfillment centers. And this presents a new set of challenges, right? Fulfillment centers, they require a specific set of hardware. They have the need for accurate and reliable inventory tracking. And Star has those solutions, allowing your business to remain relevant. And although these technologies have enabled businesses to continue to serve their customers, some are still looking for ways to encourage consumers back inside. In-store health and safety measures remain in focus. Contactless payment, self-service, and antimicrobial surfaces, these are trends that will continue to grow. What are you doing today for self-service, right? There are a lot of technology options, a lot of hardware options, but with the growing need for enhanced retail services like online ordering, shopper insights, or maybe a store format update, choosing the right tools and the right partners is more important than ever. Now, I mentioned earlier, right, accelerated growth and already growing trends, and consumers are driving this trend, right? Online ordering is a must, whether it's through an app or a website. These things were in testing a few years ago, and they're now expectations. Ordering pizza from an app, it used to be challenging, more so than calling your local pizza joint. But today it's expected, right? It's the first thing we check. Does this place have an app? Can we order online? Will it be delivered? Do I have to pick it up? So this simply cannot be done without a complete point of sale solution. And again, consumers are driving this trend. And Star Micronics is integrated with all major third-party delivery software. And pairing that with CloudPrint, it's a perfect complement for online ordering. Now, understanding what trends are going to remain strong as time goes on, it can help retailers be proactive with their needs and, embracing flexible technology, scalable technology. These are things that we can do to ensure that we're ready for anything the future may hold, right? That we're future-proof, if you will. And with most digital interactions happening in the cloud, we need a point of sale solution based on those needs, that will allow you to thrive in this unpredictable or challenging environment. What steps can you take to manage your devices from a single cloud platform? So Star Micronics America has revamped its Star Micronics cloud services. So what does this mean? So for the developer, the Star Device Manager API, it enables remote configuration, remote monitoring, management of deployed printers and peripherals with online access. The Star Document Markup Designer, currently available with Star CloudPrint, facilitates creation and customization of receipts, of tickets, of labels. And then this is easily exported to the code of a cloud-based third-party software. It's really, really cool stuff. Now, for retailers and their resellers, the Star Device Manager displays the status of printers and peripherals, by Star Micronics. There's reporting on printer use and consumable consumption. There's a Star Digital Journal, which compiles electronic copies of all printed receipts. And through that same portal, we feature Star's promo print, which allows users to design and add promotions, coupons, reminders, to their printed receipts. So, this additionally, when we talk about customer experience, these shopper insight solutions, with cloud device monitoring, it can allow retailers to optimize staffing to ensure there's sufficient employees on site, or enough resources at the store to fulfill online ordering during peak time. Additional Star technologies, we have the StarPrint SDK. This supports all popular Star product categories, enabling printing from iOS, Android, or Windows. Star Expand, an industry-first SDK for Star printer control, for the popular cross-platform framework React Native. We have Cloud Print, enabling users to print to Star printers directly through a cloud service, and SteadyLAN. So SteadyLAN is designed for Android and iOS devices. SteadyLAN provides direct cabled control, power, and internet connection over Lightning or USB-C. How can Star Micronics help? So does this sound complicated? Are you in a position today to connect your point of sale system to the cloud? What does a complete point of sale system look like? Star Micronics America is a complete solution provider. And our complete point of sale solution can look something like this. From our ultra connectable M Collection series thermal printer to cash drawers, health and safety, like the tamper evident labels shown here, right? We also provide paper, engineered for not only optimal performance in our products, but for a quality feel in the hands of your customers, right? And we're further emphasizing that customer experience. The power of Star is in its complete solution that together just works. So here we have our newest product in our most popular lineup, and that's our TSP 143 version 4. This printer is Cloud Print compliant. It's the first time in this series. Really, this printer is full of firsts for this series, which also makes it best in class, right? We have a multi-interface. So this printer comes with Ethernet, USB-C, USB-A. It's cloud ready. There's a Wi-Fi version available also, and it's made possible by a dual band Wi-Fi dongle. So it's a 2.4 and 5 gig Wi-Fi dongle. This printer has internal power supply, and so as we talk about, ever-changing point of sale solutions, right? Maybe, the area that your point of sale solution takes up, to not have that power pack hanging around the table, is a great benefit. This printer has built-in wall mount. So, where or why, would a vertical mounted printer help, right? I mean, it can be a simple kiosk, mounted on a stand underneath a tablet. Another first for this printer is Android Open Accessory, which allows power and communication with most Android devices. And all of these firsts, and this printer is approximately 20% smaller than its predecessor, the TSP 143 version 3. So, great accomplishment, with a smaller footprint. And a solution wouldn't be complete without a way to bring it all together. So Star Micronics has introduced 9 new stands and mounts to its lineup. These are arriving at the end of next month. And, I really want you to let your imagination, go as you place these solutions throughout your business, right? You're enhancing your customer experience and, You're increasing not only the efficiency at which you operate, but also the analytics you gather as your customers engage throughout your location. We can further enhance your solution with our plug and play peripherals. So our CD4 cash drawers, plug and play by Star Micronics, require no integration when using one of our printers. Our drawers are also compatible with most thermal printers on the market, made possible by our unique line of cash drawer cables. We have a dual cash drawer cable, which allows for operation of multiple cash drawers in a safe and secure manner. We have 1D and 2D scanners in stock in black and white. We have a desktop version with a USB interface. We have a handheld USB and a Bluetooth, right? And scanners are a necessary addition to all current and future-proof point of sale solutions. And then our newest accessory is our lineup of MGT scales. So boasting a simple user interface, Bluetooth or serial connections, these scales are the perfect complement to any point of sale solution requiring sale by weight in both the United States and Canada. We have a 12-pound capacity, a 30-pound capacity, and a 60-pound capacity. So really a lot of options here with the MGT scales. Connecting the peripherals. So with Star Micronics, utilizing the complete solution is simple, plug and play. So not only are you installing the highest quality products, but you've also have the peace of mind that everything plays nicely together, right? So Star's complete solution and cloud services means customization, analysis, development, and more, right? You've got access to all of your devices from one location. It allows you to set custom parameters for your business needs, scheduled firmware updates across devices. Why Star? So we have a dedicated integration team that ensures that all of our products run smooth with different software. So our team works directly with the ISV. So again, you have the peace of mind that the hardware you install makes the best use of the software you're running, right? And I know I've mentioned a lot, highest quality products. Star Micronics, we see less than a 0.1% failure rate, okay, which means your business stays up and running. Okay, Star Micronics has the right point of sale solution for your business and can upgrade your customers' shopping or dining experience.
Well, thanks, John. That definitely makes clear how the right POS solution can upgrade your customer shopping or dining experience, and I appreciate you sharing your insights. So now that you've learned a little bit about Star's offering, you may be asking yourself, how does Barcodes Group fit into everything? As a partner of Star Micronics, Barcodes offers design, deploy, and support services required to get these solutions implemented and maintained. From a design and deployment standpoint, we can develop and integrate a full hardware and software solution to meet your needs and alleviate any pain points you may have. For all deployed hardware, we can offer our true support services, which can include a mix of help desk, configuration, staging, kitting, and other value-added services. We have a very experienced services staff to deliver troubleshooting and repair services. Lastly, beyond hardware, we are North America's largest supplier of labels, receipt paper, ribbon, print hats, and other consumables. Our goal is to partner with your business to get you up and running, but more importantly, keep you up and running with future-proof technologies like those you saw today. And now it's time for your questions. So if you have any, please enter them into the Q&A. And while you do that, question for you, John. Do you have an example of a recent implementation that shows the power of a right POS solution?
Yeah, so, one thing that comes to mind, recently was, the implementation of 800 of our Bluetooth scanners, right? And so, we're seeing supply chain restraints with with the rechargeable, with the charging docks for, the components of the charging docks of scanners. And, one of the benefits of our Bluetooth scanner is it charges via a USB cable, right? So again, when we talk about, footprint, right? The scanner, it's not a big bulky piece of equipment on your table, right? You charge it overnight. When the shift starts, you're there and you're ready to go. And so this was a large deployment of scanners for a retailer who was looking for that. They were looking to consolidate their point of sale solution.
Yes. So directionally, what's your monthly fee for Star Cloud Services?
Star Cloud Services remains free to use. With a Star Cloud Ready printer, you sign up for an account, you link the account to your printer, and you're ready to access all of those features we spoke about earlier.
Nice. Does the Bluetooth scanner have a charging dock?
No, so again, one of the benefits of that scanner is it plugs via USB cable. So it's super simple to use. You can either charge it overnight, it's ready for you in the morning, or charge as you need.
Great. Well, that's all the questions we have, John. So again, on behalf of Barcodes Group and Star, I'd like to thank you for all joining our webinar today on how to select the right POS solutions. If you have any further questions or would like one of our experts to reach out for a free consultation or demo, please feel free to reach out to your preferred solution provider on the screen. Thanks again, and have a great rest of the day.